Welcome to American Dream Mansion, where today we take you inside one of the Pacific Northwest's most extraordinary masterpieces, a $17 million ultra-luxury modern estate located at 7721 SE 17th Street, Vancouver, Washington. This is not just a home. This is a lifestyle, a vision brought to life with unmatched craftsmanship, bold architecture, and panoramic views of the iconic Columbia River. The moment you arrive, the elegance of the design, the powerful modern lines, and the breathtaking waterfront setting tell you instantly that this property stands on a level entirely its own. From the very first glimpse, the dramatic exterior leaves a lasting impression: sleek textures, towering glass walls, and a presence that radiates confidence and sophistication. As our drone sweeps across the sky, the massive 1.15-acre estate opens up in full glory: the shimmering pool, the rooftop deck, the expansive outdoor living zones, and the lush landscape unfolding seamlessly into the riverfront horizon. Every angle whispers luxury, every detail screams perfection. Stepping inside, the great room is nothing short of spectacular. Designed with an automated 39-foot opening wall, this entire space dissolves effortlessly into the outdoor world, blending indoor comfort with fresh river breeze and sunlight. It feels grand yet warm, modern yet deeply inviting, the kind of space where unforgettable moments happen. Clean lines, contemporary textures, soaring ceilings, and stunning natural light work together to create a living experience unlike anything else on the market. The kitchen continues the story of excellence, a chef's paradise with high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and flawless surfaces that reflect the glow of the home's soft ambient lighting. Everything here is crafted with intention, offering both beauty and functionality. Whether you're hosting a grand dinner or enjoying a quiet morning coffee with waterfront views, this kitchen elevates every moment. The luxury continues throughout the private spaces. The owner's suite is a sanctuary of comfort and indulgence. Spacious, elegantly designed, and positioned to capture serene river views, it offers the perfect retreat at any time of day. The spa-like bathroom, oversized closet spaces, and premium finishes complete an experience worthy of a world-class resort. Additional bedrooms are equally impressive, providing comfort, style, and privacy for family and guests, each room crafted with the same attention and modern sophistication that define the entire home. But the real magic of this mansion reveals itself as we explore the entertainment and leisure spaces. A custom two-lane bowling alley, accented with exclusive artwork by Alec Monopoly, creates a one-of-a-kind entertainment experience. Just steps away, the game room unfolds with custom German red glass bar features, twin gaming stations, and a stylish setting built for endless fun. And then, there's the iconic 7TV media room, an entertainment powerhouse ready for sports, movie nights, gaming, or even a future projector setup. This home doesn't just offer entertainment, it elevates it into an art. As we move across the different wings of the property, we find multiple laundry rooms, beautifully designed bathrooms, and luxury finishes that unify the entire estate into a seamless masterpiece. Every hall, every corner, every transition carries the same luxurious energy, a commitment to quality that never relaxes. Outside, the experience becomes even more extraordinary. A dazzling pool glows under the northwest sky, opening into multiple lounges and outdoor living zones crafted for both relaxation and celebration. The 1,000 square feet putting green gives you endless opportunities to practice your game, while the athletic court provides another place for active living. And rising above it all is the rooftop deck, a private haven perfect for sunset watching, gatherings, or simply appreciating the vast beauty of the Columbia River. This home is not merely constructed, it is engineered to inspire. The architectural vision, the modern luxury, the entertainment features, the premium building quality, and the flawless flow of indoor-outdoor living make this estate a truly rare creation. There is nothing like it in Clark County. Nothing on the current market competes with its scale, energy, or lifestyle. And waterfront living. If you're searching for a dream that combines power, beauty, and unforgettable design, this home is waiting for you. This is American Dream Mansion, inspiring your dream home, one masterpiece at a time.